Hey guys, it's the Apple07 here with a unboxing today from Apple. You see up there. So, get my knife. Let's see how they package this. Sharpened my knife in a long time either. Okay, so I got a couple of things. I love how Apple packages it like that. So, let's see, they shrink wrapped it here. Very tough shrink wrap. Okay, so I got Mobile Me, which I'll unbox off the camera because there might be some information in there. So I have an anti-glare and a crystal film set. So, yes. What's this? Okay, let's just tell me what I got. Alright. So let's start with the Mobile Me. Oh wait, I got it. It's up here. Okay. So, what's the top? And then I got post-it notes, whatever. Okay. So, I do have an activation code, which is right here. It's going to be on a little sticker. So it says Mobile Me. Tells you whatever you can do. So I take it, if you don't activate it, it won't start the cycle yet. So I'm going to wait until I get my iPad on the 3rd. So this is a Padlet. So you can get iPhone, which I'm surprised I don't see a picture of an iPad. So that's the account, that's the side. Also, Apple stickers. I didn't know that at all, so that's cool. Take that off. Okay. So that's Mobile Me. I will be keeping these stickers. They look kind of cool. So let's move on to anti-glare. Actually, this is, anti-glare. It's very sticky right here. So let's see. Comes on a card. This one was kind of jammed in there. So inside here, you got one anti-glare. Feels kind of smooth. Here's another one. And a pre-install. So this will take off all your dust. And so let me keep these separate here. Put this back. It shows you how to install it. So I think they only come with backs. No, the fronts. They only come with fronts. So no backs protection. Okay, there's the anti-glare. This one is a crystal one. So I will have a review on these. So I'll tell you what I think. And this one is super sticky. Wow. God. So inside this box, I got a screen protector. So there's two screen protectors. Wow, that's a very different feel. This side. That's almost sticky. Which side? This side. Oh, wow, I'm not liking that at all. If I put this on there, that's going to be very sticky. Where this anti-glare is going to be not sticky, I guess. So I got two different kinds. I'll throw that over there. I'm going to kind of keep these separate so I know which one's which. Okay. This one is actually really smooth. So here's the back. See how my finger just glides over that? This one, watch this. It doesn't glide over as you would think. So we shall see what I was going to do with this. I actually thought this one would be better, but it's great I ordered two. So this one I will probably give to my dad. So these two are not the anti-glare, which that's the back. They're very sticky. So we'll have a review coming up on that. Which one's which? See, I knew I was going to do that. This one's it. Okay. And then it comes with these pre-installed films. So that's about it. I hope you guys like this video. And just here, a quick little update here is I will be getting my iPad pretty soon. So I'm going to wait to use this so I can get my iPad, then use this when I get my iPad. So we shall see. PC, Mac, and web, it says on here. So cool. I also got 2 Apple stickers. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.